I'm so young. I don't know how to invest. I don't know what to do. I don't know where to start from. I don't even have much money to start investing. I mean, what do I do? Is that you? Then you are definitely at the right channel. Have you ever wondered how the rich keeps getting richer? It's because they actually know how to invest. They know what to invest in, and they know the right time to invest. So on this channel, I'll be talking about so many ways of investing in stocks, investing in bonds, investing in commercial papers. I'll be explaining so many investment channels, and I won't just be saying that. I'm going to be demonstrating to you how to really go about this investment. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adesola. You can call me Sholz. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, I want to say a big welcome to you. And if you have been following up with this channel, I want to say a big thank you so much. So I started a series on how to start investing in stocks. And in my first video, I talked about what stocks are, what the difference between stocks and shares are. Then I also talked about what a portfolio is. I also talked about the different investment opportunities you can take part in. You can check the description box to see the link to that very video. I'm sure you don't want to miss out on that. Okay, so today we are going to be doing something very interesting. I'm going to be talking about the 5 easy steps to start investing. Yes, I know you are very much interested. Imagine those people that have bought stocks 20-30 years ago into good stocks. Yes, into good stock, maybe like 20-30 years ago. Compare the price as when it was then and where it is now. I mean, it's so different. So it is something that you really want to do. So are you wondering if you are too young to start investing in stocks? No, I mean, you are not too young. In fact, you can even invest for your children. Yes, you can start investing for your children. In subsequent videos, I'm going to be putting you through step-by-step guides on that. But for today, we are going to be talking about 5 steps to investing. I heard about the story of a particular man. The man is so old now, and aside the fact that he owns his own company, he runs a company of his. I learned that every year this man earns dividends from all his investments. He earns dividends that run into millions every year. Yes, this man started when he was so young, and by the time he was old and retired, he doesn't even have to start thinking about money or how to enjoy his retirement. Every year dividends just keep rolling into his account. I mean, what can be so sweet as that? That is why you need to start thinking about stocks. You need to start thinking about stocks. You need to start thinking about growing your wealth even right from now. Somebody said that the best time to plant a tree was 10 years ago, and the next best time is now. So you might have been thinking, oh, I should have started investing in stocks when I was young. I mean, don't worry. You can start doing that now, and that is why I am here for you. So let's go right into the 5 easy steps to start investing. The first one is for you to subscribe to my channel. Yes. Subscribe to my channel. Have you been watching up to this time and you are yet to subscribe? What are you waiting for? Please just hit that subscribe button and press that notification bell so that you would always be notified whenever I upload new videos. So the second step is for you to be informed about the Nigerian stock market and how it works. So right now I'm going to be going over to my system to demonstrate to you, to have an overview of how the Nigerian stock market works. So the next step, which is the second step, is for you to be informed about the Nigerian stock market, and the primary source of such information is a Nigerian exchange group. So the website is ngxgroup.com. So we go over that, and so this is the platform. This is how the platform comes. I'm going to be guiding you through this. Okay, so we have ngxgroup.com. Scrolling down, you are going to see the Nigerian the NGX All Share Index. This is actually the index that tracks the performance of the stock market. So I'm going to be checking for the past 1 year. So beautiful. So this is tracking the NGX All Share Index over the past 1 year from June 2023 to May 2024. So can you just take a look at these? Can you just see how beautiful this looks? This was where the NGX ASI was over the past 1 year, and as at May 2024, this is where it is. So if it means that if you had invested here, your profit or your gains in the NGX or in Nigerian stock market will have grown so far over the past 1 year. This is why it is important that we have a long time perspective concerning investing in the stock market. So can you see how it has grown? Like I usually say, the Nigerian stock market, in the stock market, you have different times of ups and downs, You have up here, you have down here, you have up here, you have down here, you have up here, you have down here, and all that. But if you check over the year, over the past 1 year, you can see that it is indeed growing. It is indeed growing, and this is a good one. So let's look at all. Let's click this all. Wow, can you see? So for those that invested in 1998, was where the stock market was. At some point in 2008, it was this high and then it went low. But if you see over the years, you can see where it is currently now. So this is one beautiful thing about the stock market. Like I said in my previous video also, it is not just from capital appreciation. You can also get your benefits from the stock market, even from dividend payment. So these are some of the beautiful things about the stock market. You need to have a long-term perspective. You don't just want to keep your money there and then every day you be thinking, my money is up, my money is down. If you have a long-term perspective over the stock market, it is going to be of immense benefit. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you where to get information with respect to the Nigerian stock market, the stocks that are available on the stock market in Nigeria. So if you come to this website, if you check this data as this data section, you would see data. You come to data and you come to trading statistics. You click on that. You come to trading statistics and you see the market statistics. I mean the equities or the stocks that are listed on the Nigerian Stock Exchange. You can see them all here. You can see them. You can see them listed from listed alphabetically up to here. Okay, so we can also show all the entries. You can come here and show all entries and you would then see everything listed. Can you see? So from this you can also check the each of the stocks. You can also check each of the stocks. So we have Okomo oil. Can you see how Okomo has done? So this tells you the profile for Okomo oil. You can see the profile for Okomo oil. You can see the 52-week high. That means over the past 1 year, Okomo oil has traded up to 270 naira. And over the past 1 year also, it has gone as low as 188 naira. That means that imagine if you had bought when Okomo oil was 188 naira, and today, as at now, Okomo oil is trading for 255 naira and 70 kobo. Do you know how much you would have made? Oh my god. So that is one beautiful thing about stocks. So it also gives you the trading information. It gives you information about the trading name, the symbol. It gives you the sector Okomo oil is is, it also gives you the subsector. It also tells you the market capitalization and also the shares outstanding. Down here you can also see the profile, the nature of the business. It shows you what they are into, so you need to be informed. You need to know what you are putting your money into. The development of oil and rubber plantations, palm oil milling, palm kernel processing and sale of wet coplums. This is what Okomo is into. And where are they located? The company is located here, the Okomo Oil Palm Company PLC, Okomo Udo Ovia Southwest Local Government Area in Edo State, Nigeria. So here also you can see their profile here. You can also check their financial statement. I mean, you want to see how your stock is doing. You want to see how they are doing, whether they are making profits or losses, whether they are declaring dividends or not over the number of periods um they release their financial statements quarterly and also for full year. So here you can see Okomu Palm Oil PLC Q1 financial statement for 2024, and this was uploaded on the 29th of April 2024. And here you can also see their corporate disclosures. Here you can see every information about them. On the 9th of May 2024, they released an information about how their palm company premises were attacked by hoodlums. You can also see corporate action. This will tell you about the dividend they paid for that period. So anything about them, their latest disclosure. So they're going to be disclosing to the public. I mean, everything that is happening. So we can also see here corporate actions. Yes, corporate actions. So on the section where you have corporate actions, you will see all the stocks that have released their dividends. You can see the companies and their dividends per share. Just at a glance, you can see how much each of the companies are paying as dividend. Vitafoam is paying 20 kobo per share. You can see Boa Cement paying 2 naira per share. So these are the information you need. When are they going to close their register? That means that you so the third step is for you to do your own research. Yes, you need to be informed and you need to know about the company, and that is why you need to do your own research. Yes, your own research has to do with you knowing about. So still going over our Okomu, for instance, Okomu oil. Let's go over Okomu oil. um so for Okomu oil, you want to do your own research. You want to know, how is this company doing? How is this company doing? Over the past 1 year, the company has gone as high as 270. It means that the company has potential. So another thing you need to know about your stocks is for you to get their financials. Has this company been making profit over time, or have they been making losses? Remember that it is when they have been making profits that they can declare dividends to their shareholders. So you need to be informed about their profits. You need to know if they are doing well. So let's take, for instance, let's take one of the banking stocks. Let's take GT Co, for instance. You want to know if this company has been making profits over time. You want to know if this company has been making profit. So if you want to know about their profits, you go over to their financial statements. And so over the past years, you can see all their financials. They usually release their financials every quarter. A quarter means every 3 months of the year. So in the first quarter, the first 3 months, the second quarter, the second 3 months, the third quarter, the third 3 months, and then the final quarter, they would release their audited financial statements for the whole year. So you want to check, open each of these documents and see what their profit looks like. Have they been making profit or have they been making losses? And also you want to check about their dividends. For you to check their dividends, to come to corporate disclosure. The corporate disclosure will show you their dividends. You are going to see their corporate actions announcement. So you come over here. And see their their dividends that has been declared for. So for instance, for year 2023, they said a final dividend in the sum of 2 naira 70 kobo per ordinary share of 50 kobo, subject to appropriate withholding tax, will be paid to shareholders whose names appear in the register of shareholders as at the close of business on April 26, 2024, bringing total dividend paid for the 2023 final year to 3 naira 20 kobo. So usually they pay what you call interim dividend and also final dividend. So in a year, it's possible that they pay you dividends twice. So for the case of GTCO, they paid 50 kobo as interim dividend and also 2 naira 70 kobo as final dividend, and that makes a total of 3 naira 20 kobo per share. So if you have so depending on the number of shares you have, that will determine the amount of dividend that you would receive for that period. So you want to know, have they been making profit? Have they been paying dividends? This would guide you into whether you should invest in them or not. Another thing you want to find out about the stocks, whatever stocks you are investing in, is who are those that are managing the stocks. You want to know about who the CEO is. You want to know who the chief executive officer is. Who is the managing director? Who is guiding the affairs? Is it somebody that is credible? Is it somebody that you know that whatever he's making or whatever he's doing, he's maximizing shareholders' returns? Is it somebody that has a good profile, over the years? You want to be very, very sure about that. So another final thing I'm going to talk about in today's session about what you need to know about your stocks is that you need to be informed about the sector you are investing in. So you want to be sure what is happening within this sector. You want to get information about the sector and how viable or how possible is it for that sector to continue to grow over the years. You are interested in you putting your money into something that will generate returns for you over time. So you want to be very, very sure that over time your investment is growing. You don't want to put your money into something that you are not sure about that industry or that sector. So for instance, the banking sector is a viable sector. It's a sector that you know that over the years it will keep growing. We talk about financial inclusion. A lot of banks are still trying to reach a lot of people. So you want to be very, very sure that the stocks you are investing in are viable stocks. So thank you very much for watching. In my next video, I'm going to be demonstrating how to buy and sell stocks. And I know you don't want to miss that aspect. You don't want to miss that. Yes. So for you not to miss that, please kindly subscribe. Press that subscribe. Do you know what? Just hit that subscribe button. Okay, let me wait for you. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So just hit that subscribe button. That subscribe button that you just see on your phone or your system. Just click it. And then just hit that notification bell so that you would always be notified whenever I upload new videos. Catch up with you next time.